Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're making caprese steaks. First thing we're going to do is hit these up with some salt. Do all sides. Next we'll hit it up with some garlic powder. Make sure you get more of it on your hands in the steak. And finally, some pepper. Don't forget to do the ends. We're going to be cooking these sous vide for 2 hours. Place these in 125 degrees. While the steak is cooking, let's get our tomatoes and cheese and basil ready. Using Roma tomatoes. Got some mozzarella. Get that ready. We might have to cut these in half. Basil. Our 2 hours is up. Here's what they look like out of the sous vide. They never look good. We're going to sear these right on the charcoal, caveman style. You can only do that with lump charcoal. Don't do that with the briquettes that you buy. You don't know what's in those. Once your charcoal is nice and white, you can put your steaks right on. After 30 seconds, flip them. These are done. Now that we have let these thoroughly rest, let's slice into it. We're going to go in a steep cut for presentation. This is my snack. Oh god, it's so good. That is perfectly cooked. Damn. Now we move the steak over to a serving dish. We'll go mozzarella first. Should start it over here first. Once you got your mozzarella in there, we're going to go with our tomatoes. Finish it up with the basil. Top it off with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And balsamic reduction. Man, that looks good. This looks amazing. Let's give it a try. That's amazing. The salty charcoal on the steak. The freshness of the mozzarella, tomato, topped off with the olive oil and the balsamic reduction. You get the sweet, savory. Oh, God, it's so good. Who'd have thought? Hey, that's our video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. Get our rub seasonings. There's recipes on there. All right, dinner time. I can say no to that. Good. Perfectly cooked. Fresh basil, tomato, mozzarella. All right, see you.